In the previous video, we designed these sparkline charts and these steps, these small portions, these rectangular portions for the gross sales and the, the per month, and also the spark lines and how we can design it. We talked about each and everything in the previous video. And in this video, we will design the speed meter type of these charts and using in Microsoft Excel. So how we can design the speed meter type of charts in Microsoft Excel to represent the discount percentage and the gross margin percentage. So watch this video till the end. Assalamu alaikum, I'm Ishtiaq Khan and welcome to Grow with Ishtiaq Khan YouTube channel. In this channel, we talk about opportunities and growth and how you can put your creativity on the table. So if you are a student, fresh graduate, young professional in the early phase of your career or a mid-level professional, then this platform is just for you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon to get notified of all the videos that I'm posting on this platform. Also share the videos with your friends and colleagues because sharing is caring. Now, in this video, we will learn about designing these type of speed meter type of charts that we have designed. These are donut charts with the half donuts, and we will design it in such an interactive way and such a creative way to represent the discount percentage and gross margin percentage that we are already calculating in our data. And so how we can design these type of speed meter type of charts, which are the donut charts. So let's see how we can design it. Now this is the gross margin percentage and this is the discount percentage and gross margin percentage. So let's see how we can design this type of charts. First of all, write the discount percentage, and the next is the gross margin percentage. Also we can copy it from there, so it's better way to copy it from there and copy it and paste it here, and copying and pasting it here, and then click and move it using the get pivot data, and also move it using the get pivot data. Now we need these in percentage form, and in order to convert to percentage and with the two decimal points and convert into percentage with two decimal points, uh, increase with two decimal points, and this is the, and now we have uh, need that how much discount, uh, out, like we need the other part of the 100%, like out of 100% how much how much is the, how much is the discount, like how much is not the discount percentage. Now minus is equal to 100% and minus, now we need only two decimal points. The same is with is equal to 100% minus is 41, and we need only two decimal points to do the decimal points. The same is 100% and it's also 100%. Now we need to design the, arrange it. Now we need to design the donut charts. We need to insert the donut chart, select this one and then click on the insert and click here in the pie or donut charts and click on the donut chart. Now delete this portion. Now also delete these legends, and uh, now format it the way you want. Format the chart area and format the fill, and now also to display it the way we want it, the portion that we need to represent should be on the, like, it's in a speedometer type, that from the left side it's increasing toward the right side, like it's clockwise. Now in a clockwise it's increasing from this side to this toward the right side. So how we can represent it? So we will select it, and we will that it should be no fill, and this color should be also the light blue color, so that it represent, it's the portion that is not being filled and this portion is being filled. Or we will select this one, much better color as compared to. Also we will go for the no line. And now this is our donut chart, and the next one that we are going to design is for the, now control C and also duplicate this chart. And after duplicating, now duplicate it here, and now select this chart, and now move it here, and we will have, we get the gross margin percentage donut chart. And also now also increase the area for this chart, and this area for the slice, it should be around 55%, around 55% is better. 55% or around 60% is, 59% is better. Now the same we need to do with it, but we need to change the colors. And also 59%, don't whole size should be 59%, and the fill should be no fill, and it should be, now this should be no fill, this portion, move it here so that it's much easy to edit it. It should be, no, it should be solid fill, and but it should be very light green, and it should be dark green. Now also remove the no line, border should be no line, so it should be. And this is the gross margin percentage for you. Now there should be no line, same it with here, no line. Now copy it from here and copy it with control C and paste it here with control V, and pasting it here, move it here, decrease its size somewhat. The same is, move this one, control C and paste it here, and sorry, paste it here, control V, and it's now paste it. Shit. Now move it here, also decrease its size. Both of these sizes should be same. The size of both of the So 5.4, 9.6, and this should also be 5.4. This should be also 5.4 and 9.6. 4 and 9.6. 9.6. Yes. Give some space. Yes. Arrange it. Scroll and format and align it middle. And now these are the same, and now insert the, select any one and control C, and here paste it anywhere, and control V, and now pasting it here, move it here, and this is the discount percentage. Change discount percentage. Discount is the discount percentage. Change its color, and also duplicate it, and now move it here, and now this time this should represent what? Present this one or this one. So it should be H3 and HI3. Represent H3. So it's taking time, but should be patient because we're designing it very carefully, and increase its size somewhat and change its color, and also now this is a discount percentage for you, and select both and duplicate, and duplicating move both to the to here, both here, and now it's, now select one, and this is the gross margin percentage. Gross margin percentage. Decrease its size somewhat. The same is with this one, but it's now I3, and I3, and it's, you need to increase its size also. Now these are the two charts. These are being designed for you and in a way you want it, and now leaving it, removing the formula bar also, and now these are the two donut type charts, two speedometer type chart designed for you. So in the next step we will design the gross margin percentage per month chart. This is a line chart with the dots and with the, and also we will design a circle chart, which will be the chart that we that is a 2D pie chart that we will be designing, and also we will be designing this 2D line chart with the markers. So This is all about the designing these two discount percentage, representing discount percentage and gross margin percentage using the speedometer type of charts, using the donut charts in a really beautiful way. So in the next video, we will talk about the other two type of charts, inserting those charts, and in the final video, we will insert the slicers. So stay tuned and watch this series till the end. So if you want to move your career to the next level, then subscribe to my YouTube channel, Grow with Ishtiaq Khan, and also press the bell icon to get notified of all the videos that I'm posting on this platform. Also share the videos with your friends and colleagues because sharing is caring. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.